Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your speaker Sony to the application. You have to start by pairing the speaker with a phone. So let's go to Settings, Bluetooth or Connected Devices if you have Android. If you have Android, also click Pair New Device, and after that press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker. And right after that, press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Now click on your speaker at the device list and then hide the settings. Now open the application, close, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.